Alright everyone, so a while ago I got this in the mail from Monster. Long story short, I actually bought a pair of these a while ago, but they died on me. I don't know if it's defective or anything, but it died, and they, through a warranty replacement, they sent me a new one, which I actually thought they were just going to send me the headphones and nothing else, but they actually just sent me a whole new retail package. That's actually kind of cool. So I figured I'd do an unboxing of this. Little trivia fact. Monster was the original manufacturer when Beats first came out. So you've been wondering, it's like, oh, Monster, making headphones? Ooh. But if you use the original Beats headphones when they first came out, they were made by Monster originally. So, yeah, that kind of just shows you that, yeah, Monster does actually know when it comes to headphones what they're doing. Actually, when it comes to audio in general, they're usually higher quality. But now here's the thing with Monster. I like using Monster equipment when it comes to like car audio, but these days, honestly, there's really no money into car audio as much as before, just because a lot of the new vehicles now, they make them very hard to modify cars now. So I guess Monster is like, well, we got to diversify and try other things too. So headphones, one of them. So let's take this off, and it just folds out like that. This comes out. This should be the USB cable. Yeah, the little USB charging cable, extra ear tips, and of course the headphones and the instructions. So this is supposed to just pop out like so. And here they are. Now these are Bluetooth headphones. Now I'll give you a quick review because I did use them before, obviously. Sound quality is really nice. Really comfortable tips on these. And, the buttons are, easy to understand and everything like that. So, I don't know what happened with the other ones. I don't know if maybe because the way these are designed. I mean, these are iSport's Achieves, the athlete's headphones. So I don't think it was really a water issue or a sweat issue with these, because it's supposed to be sweat proof. So I don't know if it was just defective or what, but the original ones died on me. So maybe I inadvertently used a charger without thinking, and it overloaded the circuitry in here, because they really do, these things, Monster really do emphasize, hey, just use just a standard what is that, 5-volt like USB plug. Yeah. Though I don't recall seeing this sticker on the original packaging I got, so this might have been something that came up later on. But it says, cautious, only use computer USB output or standard 5-volt only, 500 milliamp minimum, power adapter for charging. So it seems like, I bet what happened was, people were just charging these into any USB port, and then it was overloading the circuitry in this and frying it. So probably that's what happened when Monster found out. It's like, okay, we're going to update that and put that little blurb in there. So that's probably what happened with mine. I don't think it was a sweat issue or anything. I think it was just more that I charged it into a USB port that I probably wasn't supposed to. In other words, it still kind of sucks though, but yeah. But at least they were nice enough to send me a complete replacement. So that's good. That's actually clever. Look at this. So you got the English, and then you got the in a different language, but depending on, you know, which language is going, they can put it the way they want to. So yeah, this is just a quick unboxing of these Monster iSport Achieves. These are about 60 bucks. They're not terribly expensive, but they're also not exactly cheap either. So yeah. Anyway, I'll end it here. What headphones do you guys use? I normally use these for the gym, but one thing I do notice, I don't know if maybe because of how my ears are, or maybe because of the tips I'm using, but if I'm like jogging on the treadmill, for example, you know, it would seem like there's not enough air, or seems like it's too closed off in my ears when I'm jogging with these. But I mean, they are comfortable, and I actually do like these, so I do plan on using these again in the gym. So yeah, that was just a quick unboxing. So leave those comments down below, and like always, have a good one.